Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3, Chapter 16, and the chapter name is My Food, My India, Food and Clothes. So today we will start the topic about the clothes, but before starting the clothes topic, we will take a short look at what we have learned in earlier classes related from this chapter. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, video games, carom. In fact, you can give your study in your you can give your time in study also. You can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Once the school will open, I just want all the homework because I have all the records. So it's better that you should complete your work at home. Do not go outside. Be safe. Stay happy at home. Protect yourself and your family from these virus. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. Eat healthy, stay happy at home, and please just follow all the guidelines which government has told to follow due to this COVID-19 so that we will be safe. And please do not interact with other person. Be at home, enjoy the online class and complete the homework which you received on online classes. Please complete it in your SST fair copy, in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. So I'm just going to explain you the chapter line by line. I will read and then I will explain you thoroughly. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's start the chapter. It's the chapter about our India, about the food and clothes. So in last classes we have learned about the food, that we all know that India is very big country with 29 states and 7 union territories. And in fact in earlier classes you have learned the different states of our country have different kinds of landform and climate. If some places it's receiving a lot of rainfall, then the another places it gets hardly only few rainwater. Like I'm giving you one example. Like in Darjeeling, winters are very cold in Darjeeling, whereas in Goa the winter are much pleasant. And if the climate changed, then it can change and it can affect our daily life, especially our foods and clothes. So the foods we wear and the foods we eat and the clothes we wear. So in this chapter we will know much more about the food. So food is what we all know that our country is so vast. It's very big. People in different parts eat different kinds of foods. So in different places the people eat different types of food. So the food that people eat in different regions depend on the crops grown there. So the food what they eat on that regions, it depends on the crops, that which crops they are grown on that regions, on that areas. So crops is what it totally depends on according to the climate and the soils found in different places. So in earlier classes we have much more about the soil, that we have 6 types of soils. So according to that soil we can grow different types of food in that soil, and it is very fertile to grow that crops. So like that today we will also see that in different states different famous foods are there. So first of all, in northern states of India it prefers the eat wheat, but they eat rice as well as like cereals also they can eat, like the bajra, maize, jowar. It's the commonly eaten food in the state of Rajasthan. Next, people of the Rajasthan, they use the jaggery. Jaggery like a gur when they eat some sweets and some dessert. So on that place with a sugarcane place, they just use the gur or jaggery. So in southern and eastern part, they use the rice, and rice is the staple food. Staple food means that staple food is used a lot. Staple food is used a lot. Staple food is like a basic type of food that is eaten a lot. So the southern and eastern states, the rice is what it is eaten a lot food, and in the coastal areas, the people also eat the rice and they use the coconut in their cooking. So they use the coconut oil in cooking. Pulses it can use in popular, and it is used all over the country. Now here we are talking about the food. Now we will know much more about the fruits, vegetables. It is also grown in India. It grows in a very large variety in India. Like Kashmir, here it is famous for apples, cherries and strawberries. Next, Nagpur, it is in Maharashtra. It is well known for its oranges. Oranges they can grow there. And Alphonse mangoes, these are grown in the Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. This Maharashtra district of Ratnagiri, these mangoes can grow. In fact, Goa and Kerala, these all states are famous for the coconuts. Now, crops, fruits and vegetables are moved from one place where they are not grown to other part of the country. These all fruits and vegetables, it can also move the places where they are not growing these type of crops. So wherever we may be living, we get these all foods types or these all types of grains, fruits and vegetables. In fact, India's food is famous for, all over the world because of the spices which we used in our cooking, which we use in our food. So that's why it is very famous. India food is very famous all over the world. Spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, coriander, cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves, chilies, nutmegs and fenugreek. These all is type of spices which Indian used to make our food spices, to make our food delicious. Next, Indian food, they usually used to cook food in ghee, mustard oil, groundnut, sesame oil or coconut oil. But in the northern state of India, people likes to use milk and milk product like the cheese, curd, paneer, butter. They just like to use these type of milk product. In fact, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag, it is famous in the northern Indian delicacy. And gajar ka halwa, it is a dessert like it is a sweet dessert which we mainly used to eat after our last meal, dinner meals, and then we used to eat these desserts. It is commonly served in winter. And in the southern states, it is famous for the idli, dosa, sambar and rasam. These all are the favorite items. In fact, today also we can easily find all these foods in our every part of the country. And people, like most of the peoples, they just like to eat, the children, they must like to eat the fast food like noodles, pizzas, burgers, sandwiches, chips. It is very unhealthy for our body. It is not healthy, but we can eat once in a week. And most people, they like to eat what is rapidly available in that. Means most people, they just want to eat that what is every day that is available in their area where they lived in. So now food, I think you guys have understood very deeply. So here we will talk about now clothes. So if don't see the book, I'm just explaining you like that. So like food also, it depends. If the weather change, then it can affect our food also. Then like same also, if the climates and weather change, it can affect our clothing system, that clothes which we wear. So if the seasons change, then our clothing systems also change, means our all daily lives can change. So the clothes we wear depend on the climate of the place where we lived, and the seasons, and also the occasions. So the clothes, which type of clothes we should wear. So the clothes, it first of all, it depends on the climate. Exactly, it depends on the climate that where we lived, and the season also, and it can also depends on the occasions, like if any wedding or occasion is there, birthday occasion. So it can depends on that all. Then we can dress up like that same, so that we can fit for that climate and that the occasions. Next, that we will see in the next video, lecture number 2. So please guys, watch lecture number 2. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.